Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we are going to need 2.5 cups of bread flour. And we're going to sieve those. Make sure you stick to the recipe and measure them precise. We're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to combine it. And now we're going to put this aside for now. Half a cup of regular whole milk. You want it a little warm but not too hot. To that, we're going to add 1 egg, 1 whole egg. And we just want to mix it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And last, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoon of active yeast. And we're going to mix that in there, give it a little mix. Not too much, just a little bit, just until it's all incorporated. And then we're going to set this aside. We're going to set it aside for about half an hour, guys. We want to give that yeast a chance to get active. So we'll be right back. We're going to cover that up and we'll come back to it. Okay, so you can see that the yeast has activated. And that is exactly what we want. I am using my electric mixer with the pedal attachment. After a few minutes, I'm going to switch it over to the dough attachment. So we're going to go ahead and put our yeast in there, making sure that you get everything in there. Add the whole dough at the same time. And we're going to put it, I'm going to put mine on 4, just to gently, actually let's play safer and do 2. As you can see, it's nice and granulated. You're going to need to use your fingers for some of this. And we're going to switch to the dough attachment. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, nice and soft. We're going to continue to knead this until it's all gathered in a ball. And now I'm going to stop it. By stretching, you're able to see, you see how you can see the background a little bit? You see that? You can see my fingers? That is perfect. So we're going to put that aside. And you could go ahead and knead it a little bit, a little more, maybe a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. we are gonna take a nice bowl, put that over there, and we're gonna add a little oil to it. Spread that oil all around. And we are gonna put our nice dough in there. And we're gonna cover it with saran wrap, and we're gonna put it in a nice warm place for about 1 to 2 hours until you're gonna notice that it's gonna double in its size. Make sure it's airtight. I'm gonna let it sit at room temperature until I notice that it has risen. So as you can see, our dough has doubled the size. Amazing, right? And now we're gonna take it, it's actually gonna go down as you touch it. To do. So here I'm gonna stop a few minutes because I want to show you my daughter.
Hello.
My one and only daughter Iris and my grandson Landon, and they are both gonna help me cut the donuts. We're gonna use this, and I'm gonna let him do it. He washed his hands already, so we're ready to go. All right, Landon, do your thing.
Okay.
So you press really hard.
Try it again so we get more donuts. Start there. There you go. So we're not
Give it a
losing
good twist.
Twist it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now take it out.
Okay. Let Grandma do this part, or maybe I could do this part.
Well, you can do all of them, and then you worry about.
Make sure you go down hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, baby.
There it is.
Now you guys do it.
Can I try one?
Yeah. But it's not that.
We gotta really get in there, I
Look
guess.
at a nice tattoo.
Twist.
Show your tattoo, Iris.
Oh, it's off.
There you go.
If you don't have one of these tools, then you could just get a cup. This will be a bigger size donut, I'm assuming. And you're just gonna squeeze down. For me, I find it a little easier to get a little tool and just go around if you're having trouble cutting it. Okay? There we go. And then, if you take a smaller circular object, you want to make your donut holes. So we're going to go right in the middle, do this, and voila! Right, Mom?
Here.
Did I do good?
Nice donut.
There's our donut, and we're going to put it down. Iris. Cooking with Iris. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Cooking with Iris. Cooking with Iris.
Grandma Iris.
Yeah. All right, Landon, which one are you trying?
This one.
Okay, I'm going to try
I want you.
this one. Okay, ready? Cheers. Mmm. How good is that? Mmm.
I overpowdered it and it tastes so good.
So good, huh? Cheers. Mmm.
So what are you gonna say?
Be sure to like, share.
And subscribe to my grandma's channel.
Bon appetit.